What's up, Christian?
What's up, Josh?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Hey, today we're going big on the spine, and this is the first time you've ever done this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Our goal today is going to be to rock over the spine, and then we're going to do this all in small incremental steps to build that confidence and understanding, and then I'll teach you how to bail out of this and everything, so should be good to go.
Perfect.
Rock and roll. All right, guys, the first thing we're gonna do is called rock rollout. If you don't know how to do this, I want you to catch up and click this video right here above and follow along and learn through that video, and then come back to this one. Now, I want you guys to pay extra special attention to my front foot and notice that right when I get into my rock, I get that front foot up on the nose, and I get it high enough on the nose to get that good leverage to make it easier for me to lift and clear my back wheels over the coping and onto the top of the deck. As you get into your rock, I want you to tuck down and lean your head over your front foot. Remember, body goes where the head goes. We're treating this as if this is our imaginary spine, so I want you to really get that head over the other side of the spine so that you're ready to transfer that weight into the other side. Good, that was the best one. That's exactly what we want right there. So the more you press on that nose, gives you extra time to clear your back truck. I want you to feel the stall as well. So you go into your stall and then you start to lean your head over as you tuck down and press on the nose. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna do another exercise that I've never taught before, but I just thought of it right now, so we'll try that. We could do this on a pyramid or any flat into a bank. The goal here is to start from back, push, get your feet set into riding position, wiggle that front foot up on the nose so that you're ready, and then as your front wheels start to ride over the edge of the bank, I want you to bend down, lean your head in over your nose, and push on the nose to clear your back wheels over the edge and into your pump down the bank. Sounds hard, pretty easy, okay? So I'm gonna push off, wiggle my front foot on the nose, and push.
So still roll over the edge.
Yeah, still roll over the edge. Now, it's up to you if you want to lift up your front wheels to put them over the edge, or you could just ride over the edge and tuck down and press on the nose. The goal here is to clear those back wheels, so you're almost going to hold that tiny little nose manual to clear your back wheels over the edge. That's right. Yeah, that was perfect. For a gentle little push, get that front foot ready up on the nose. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Lucky you. We got a steeper version of this with coping.
Okay. Great. Thanks.
That's right. Now we do it down this one.
Okay. Now I gotta lift my wheels up and over.
That's why I'm doing this.
Yeah.
Right now you're starting to understand. Now that there's actually coping involved right here, there's actually some penalty. And you'll be fine even if you did catch, because you could still run it out. But yeah, feeling a catch on your wheels isn't the best.
I'm just gonna try and not think about the fact that there's coping there, and imagine I'm doing the same thing I'm doing on the bank.
Yeah, exactly. Try to forget it's steeper and more dangerous too.
Yeah. Block that out.
Yeah. Woo!
I had a little mini heart attack there for a second.
Hey, that's the goal. The goal is to get you a little more numb incrementally to that feeling and that mental commitment, so that when we go over here and do it on the spine, it's not as terrifying all at once, right? Let's try it again. Gentle push, set those feet in a riding position, wiggle that front foot up. Right when you go to push on that nose, exaggerate your bending down into your pump.
Do like a squat, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it was a little scary at first, but after doing it a couple times, it's okay.
Good, good.
Feels just like the bank.
Yep.
Same thing.
Yeah, it does feel just like the bank, but immediately it's that like mental battle of, oh, I haven't done this before, and it's steeper than the other one, and there's coping.
Yeah, I knew I just had to do it the first time, because if I bailed the first one, I'd probably bail the next 3 until it got me to actually do it. Like, I needed to just do the first one.
Yep. So, yeah, that's cool. Good way to do it.
That's just me.
Yeah, yeah. If you got the guts for it, then we should do it into the mini.
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Okay.
I'll do it with you. So our goal here is to start super slow. And as you get more comfortable and confident with this, your goal is going to be to hold your manual until you rock into the middle of your board. Rocking in the middle of your board gives you the most leverage to make a nice clean rock and into your pump. If you touch your board down sooner, just behind the back truck, it makes it a little bit harder because there's a longer time distance-wise to clear your back truck. I'm gonna do these a few different ways. I'm gonna do them slow, and then I'm gonna do them the advanced way as you start to go faster. Get that front foot up. And just like I teach for all my classic rock to fakies, you want to hear that click, click, click. That's the rhythm and the sound you should hear of your clean rock in. Even though this is a mini and it's mellow, this is only 3.5 feet, I still want you to not clip those back wheels, not clip your truck. In doing so, you're gonna need the leverage, and that leverage is gonna come from having your knees bent. So right when you put your front wheels over the edge, you start to tuck down before anything so that your legs are pre-bent. That way you can start to lean in over your nose and press on the nose into your pump as your back wheels touch down. Even if you clip your back trucks a little bit, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Big deep breath. That's right. It is a little different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of strange at first. Dude, I can do this into the big bowl. So like you do get used to it.
Yeah.
And it does work really well. It's a cool thing to be able to do. So really take your time. Go even slower this time.
Slower.
Yeah, go even slower. Okay. Good. In doing it slower, I want you to really pay attention and feel how much you need to tuck down. And the more you tuck down makes it easier. Okay. But there's that weirdness of like, the tucking down, your brain's like, no, don't do this, don't tuck down, right? Because once you tuck down, you're kind of really committed to doing it.
Well, but it's better to do that because if you do fall, you're lower already.
Yeah, that's true, but it's just that mental battle. I don't know what it is. Anytime you get scared, your brain says, hey, stand up. Yeah. Stand up as tall as you can so you can fall as hard as possible. Yeah. All right, let's add to this, and I'm gonna do this intermediate speed. And now fast.
That didn't even look real.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Like, so obviously the faster I go is the faster I need to get that rhythm, so the faster I need to rock in. It's all the same thing. It's just really bending down and changing direction at the right time and getting that rock and really pushing hard enough on the nose to clear those back wheels and into your pump. Here's a trick to inspire you guys for the next level. No! Come on, risk your life for everybody's amusement. Try to do it a little bit faster into it. Remember, the goal here isn't even to do this. This is cool because it's an extra trick that you're learning, but our goal is to do it on the spine. Yeah. And when you go to do this on the spine, you're gonna be going faster on the spine to get up and into that rock and everything else. So, ready?
I think so.
Come on, you can do it. Slow. Front foot up, really tuck down. Yeah! That might even felt even better.
Yeah, that felt easier.
Good, see? So it's just a more natural rhythm for you to not break your tuck down into your pump. Once you drop that body fast, it's like, yep, just drop your body fast and push on the nose fast. Going kind of slow and then trying to stop on the coping is it's kind of hard. Yeah. Even though it's kind of hard, I know that's how everybody's gonna want to do it in that order. So that's why we did it in that order. Dude, so sick. Feels good? Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna teach you how to bail right now. I want you to rock the fakie and then come up and into your fakie rock and lean your head over the toe side of your board and run down the transition. That's right. That's right.
So am I kind of just trying to push my board out?
You're just getting away from your board and running down the ramp before, and your board will typically stay up on the top of the spine. Okay. When you jump off, try to jump off equally. So before you even jump off, the big pro tip here is to lean your head where you want to go. Don't just try to jump in that direction. Yeah. Your board might slide on the coping or some crazy thing might happen. Just kind of lean off of your board and run off. That's right. And just like you saw with Christian here, be prepared for your board to chase you down the ramp. Yeah. There it is, man. I mean, that's both halves. We're gonna put them together. To get you psyched on this, I want you to drop in and rock out. This is 5.5 feet, so this is the real size of the spine right here. That was a little fast. Good that you noticed that, because again, if you go up into the spine with that speed, you're gonna get launched because your momentum is gonna be too fast. So let's slow it down so that you kind of stall it out for a second and then bend down and push to clear. Good.
Still kind of hit it a little.
Try it one more time and try to rock a little bit closer to the middle of your board. Hey. So when something like that happens, you play it back with your front foot up on the nose enough.
No.
Probably not, right? Yeah. I didn't look, but I'm gonna guess it probably wasn't, right? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So as we get into this, exaggerate that front foot up more. Okay. Dude, that one was really good. Well, moment of truth. We're gonna ride up and into the spine. Get on top of the spine, the exact same as what you just did right here. And then you're gonna lean over your toes and run down the other side. Fantastic. Get a few of them out of the way and then start to slow it down, build a little confidence.
Yep.
Awesome. Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm not getting my foot on my nose. I feel it's in the pocket.
Okay, so let's back this up then, and I want you to wiggle your front foot up onto the nose before you ride up the transition and into the spine.
Okay. Should I be in nollie position or?
Not nollie position. I mean, you can still have your back foot on the tail. Very good. How's it feel?
Feels okay.
Okay.
Just running out, yeah.
Dude, you can totally do this. When you're ready, tuck down and rock hard. Clear those back wheels. If you have knee pads, you could put them on too for just extra confidence. Imagine yourself doing it. Right when you get up into that rock up into the middle of your board, start to bend down and lean your head over your front foot, then tuck down and press hard on the nose as you start to go over the other side. Remember to stay tucked down. Your brain's gonna tell you to stand up. Good. Fantastic. Hey, let's do a dry run. I want you to roll in with your same speed and foot position, and I want you to rock out right here on the corner. Hey, good, good, good. Remember to tuck down and stay down. That's right. You gonna try one more of those?
No.
Back to the spine?
Yeah.
Sick. Good, good. You can finesse this if you want to. Go ahead, throw your board on the top of the spine for me. As you start to lean over your front foot, pull your board so your back truck kind of starts to touch the coping. Yeah, like that. And then you'll start to lean in and then rock. And even though it catches a little bit, you won't have to rock so much. And then as you build more trust, then you'll start to rock in the middle of your board. So you start to feel yourself tipping over the other side, then really bend down and push on the nose. You'll make it, promise. As long as your coping's not sticking out a bunch on the spine, your risk for hanging up isn't that high. The hanging up risk comes from if you don't clear your back trucks, you'll catch them on the top of the ramp. You can do this. That's it. That's it, dude. Hey, once you do it one time, it's gonna be like a drop in. Yep. If this was 3.5 feet tall, you'd have already done it.
Yeah, I know.
Feels gnarly, try to enjoy it. That's why you do this. Pushing the limit, right? Good. Get those feet up, front foot up on the nose, tucking down. Yeah! Hey! You did it perfect.
Yeah.
You did it perfect. You didn't clip or anything, right? I knew the first time you would do it right away and get it.
You just had to say, trust me. And I was like, trust Josh.
Yeah, because your brain's gonna lie to you, right? That's the battle here. Yeah, that's a big.
I sometimes don't trust myself.
Yeah, and that's a big thing that comes through with a lot of people, right? Because you're listening to your brain, but your brain doesn't have the experience. It's never done it. Right. So it's gonna say, no, don't do this. You don't know what you're doing. Yeah. Right. So that's why I'm here to be like, dude, I know you can do this. You have the skills and the ability. Go for it. So.
Thanks.
Hey, stoked, dude.
That's sweet.
Fantastic, man. Yup. Fantastic job today, dude.
Thanks.
Seriously, you got it good.
Yeah.
Got that understanding and you landed it many times. Thanks for letting me film this, man. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
I'll share it with a bunch of people and I hope it helps them as well.
Me too.
Hey, if this video helped you guys, remember, share it with your friends so we can help more people together. Click that like button for me to help support the channel. Send a donation if you want to see more of these videos. Donation details are in the description box below. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.